Come onto your toes. This is the ideal. Come onto your toes. Your heels are together. The feet are angled out. And in this exercise, the ideal is going to be that your fingertips remain on the floor throughout. In this posture, your chin is lifted. You look just like a frog. Inhale and do the best you can to straighten your knees and look back at your knees. Exhale, come back down. Inhale up, exhale down, and continue.
And so I'm just doing the modifications, and if the floor is too low, then you can use blocks like this, and if you want it just a little bit higher, you can do it this way. If you need it higher than that, you can bring them up higher. And then just go up as high as your butt will allow you, or your hamstrings will allow you to. So it doesn't, if you can go all the way up, great. Otherwise, just come up halfway. Inhale up, exhale down. Yeah? So let's do a few of these?
Let's do it.
5? Okay.
Sure.
Okay. And exhale down. I like to shake out my legs afterwards.